Hello dear children of class 4th. We are doing the question answers of chapter number 8, Reaching to Grandmother's House. Dear children, we have done the question answers up to page number 63-64. Some questions are left from 64 page number which are we doing today. At first you can see that there is a table on the screen, and this is the timetable of a train whose name is 6335. It means 6335 is the train number. Nagarkoil Express is the name. And can you tell me which train is this one? Yes, this one is the train in which Omana did the journey from Gujarat to Kerala to meet her grandmother. Dear children, here the station names, arrival time, the departure time, the distance between two stations and the day of starting the journey are given. How can you read this table? You have to learn at first. Arrival means the time at which the train arrives, means reaches to some station. The departure time means the time at which the train goes from that place away. And the distance is the length between two stations. And the day is the journey's time, on which day it has been started, how much time the train has been taken to reach some stations. Here I am giving you one example at the starting, that at Gandhidham, the station, the train is standing, that's why the distance is 0 given here. Then between Gandhidham and Ahmedabad, the distance is 301 kilometers, means 301 kilometers. And here the arrival time given is 11:30 AM and the departure time is given 11:50. It means the train has stopped here for how many minutes? 20 minutes. Dear children, these times are given in the 24 hours clock. As you know that the train timings are given in the 24 hours clock. So here you can see that at Kottayam the train reaches at 23:50. It means it reached there at 11:50 PM. The times which are above the 12 o'clock all are in the evening time, and it departed from that place at 11:55 PM. I am changing them in 12 hours clock, but they are given in the 24 hours clock. 23 means 11, 24 means 12 o'clock. And the last, Nagarkoil, the arrival time is 4:45. It means this is the time of morning. And then the departure time given is 00:00. It means at 12 o'clock. This 00:00 hours means the 12 o'clock of the midnight. Okay, from where the new day starts. So you can see the arrival and the departure times, and also from the departure time to the next station what is the timing and what is the time to take to reach there, and the distance that can be also readable from this table. At first what we have to do, that we have to circle the names of the stations in the table that are mentioned in the Omana's diary. Dear children, the names of the stations about Omana's discussion in the Omana's diary, we have to circle them. At first she talked about Gandhidham, then Ahmedabad, then she talked about Valsad, then she also talked about Madgaon. Here the circle you have to make, then Kozhikode, and then Kottayam. Now on the basis of the table you have to write the question answers. From which station did the train start? the train started from Gandhidham? How many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? The train stopped for 20 minutes at Ahmedabad station. On which day did the train reach Madgaon? The train reached Madgaon on the second day. Here you can see that Ahmedabad 20 minutes was the time for staying or the stopping the train, and at Madgaon the train reaches at the second day. Now what you have to do today is that you have to draw the basic table and this table with the answer and write only 3 questions on behalf of this table. Another questions will be done later on with the help of pen. You should be prepared for that. Before that you must learn this table well, so that you may understand the question answers which are solved on the basis of this table and the timings. Thank you. Have a nice day. Draw the table well. Write the question answers. Bye.